Welcome back, everyone. If you've been chasing peace of mind, financial freedom, and the kind of job that lets you breathe, this video is for you. Because today, we're not talking about flashy careers or noisy startups, we're talking about the hidden world of quiet, high-income jobs. These are the jobs most people scroll past, thinking they're boring or meaningless. But in reality, they're the backbone of modern success. They don't require constant social interaction, endless meetings, or stressful deadlines. They reward focus, patience, and precision, the real currencies of long-term wealth. In today's noisy economy, the real winners are the quiet ones. While the world glorifies influencers and CEOs, the people who often end up financially secure are those who choose calm, structured, behind-the-scenes roles that keep everything running smoothly. These boring jobs can actually be goldmines for anyone who values independence, consistency, and balance. Let's start with the data quality reviewer, the unsung hero of every business. This person verifies every number, checks every report, and ensures that data, the heartbeat of decision-making, stays accurate. Without them, entire companies could collapse under bad information. It's not glamorous, but it pays quietly and generously, with annual salaries between $70,000 and $120,000, all from the comfort of home. Then we have the remote operations coordinator, the silent conductor who keeps digital teams synchronized across time zones. They don't build the product, but they make sure everyone else can. Their calm management style turns chaos into order, earning them up to $110,000 a year. No shouting, no stress, just results. Next up is the compliance analyst, the corporate shield. They ensure that every business move follows legal and ethical standards, saving companies from million-dollar lawsuits. They work quietly, often unseen, yet they're essential. Most earn around $80,000, $120,000 annually, steady, stable, and secure. Now meet the document control specialist, the guardian of organization. Every contract, policy, and report passes through their hands. Their job is to make sure nothing is lost or misfiled, keeping entire corporations efficient. It's a calm, repetitive task that rewards perfectionists with salaries around $60,000, $95,000 per year. Then there's the ad and content safety reviewer, one of the most vital yet invisible roles of the digital era. These are the professionals who ensure that the content you see online is appropriate and brand safe. They review images, videos, and ads all day, making sure nothing offensive slips through. It's mentally quiet but globally important. And companies like YouTube and Meta pay $70,000, $120,000 for this invisible expertise. Next is the remote appointment coordinator, the master of time management. They help entrepreneurs, executives, and creators organize their schedules, negotiate meetings, and balance chaotic calendars. The job can be done from anywhere in the world, earning between $3,000 and $7,000 per month. All you need is communication skills, discipline, and reliability. Don't forget the digital maintenance planner. A blend of tech and organization. They plan system updates, prevent downtime, and protect companies from technical breakdowns. It's not a spotlight role, but it's crucial. 1 hour of system failure could cost millions. That's why they earn up to $150,000 a year, simply by keeping everything running like clockwork. And now, the rising star of quiet professions, the silent user experience analyst. They study how people use websites and apps, track behaviors, and recommend design improvements that make technology smoother and more human. They don't code or design, they observe. They help companies understand users deeply, without ever being seen. Finally, one more hidden gem, the knowledge management specialist. They collect, organize, and maintain a company's internal knowledge, training materials, processes, guides, and best practices. In large organizations, information is power, and these professionals ensure it never gets lost. They help teams learn faster, avoid mistakes, and scale efficiently. It's the kind of job that never makes headlines but saves millions in lost time. Salaries range between $85,000 and $140,000, and it's one of the fastest-growing remote roles worldwide. The truth is, these jobs all have something in common: peace, stability, and control. The people who work in them are not chasing applause or likes. They're building quiet empires from their laptops. They finish work without mental exhaustion, spend evenings with family, and sleep without anxiety. They don't crave the hustle. They master the rhythm of balance. So if you've ever felt that you're not built for high-stress office politics or social media-driven careers, know this: you don't have to be loud to be successful. You just have to be consistent, thoughtful, and smart about where the world is heading. The economy of 2025 and beyond rewards those who think deeply, work quietly, and deliver results that speak louder than noise. Because in the end, silence isn't emptiness, it's focus. Boring isn't failure, it's stability. And peace isn't weakness, it's freedom. The future belongs to those who master the art of calm productivity. So while everyone else chases noise, you can chase freedom. And maybe, just maybe, the most powerful sound of success is silence. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about building wealth, working smarter, and creating a life of freedom quietly, effectively, and on your own terms.